Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. So my last video was about what to get the men in your life. So of course I had to do a video about what to get the women in your life. And I had so much fun doing this video. Can you not tell? So this video is the top 5 gifts on what to get the woman in your life. But hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, why do you find it, if you do, why do you find it so hard to shop for gifts? Is it more financial? Is it more you just don't know where to look? I've gotten a lot of just comments on either my pictures on my social media and stuff like that saying this is a good gift. And I've also talked to many people, friends and family, saying it's very hard for them to shop. Why is it hard for you to shop? For me, when I first started shopping for actual gifts and, not handmade stuff, for me it was financial. What's the reason for you? Comment down below. So we're about to sit back, relax, and we're about to get onto this. Okay, the first gift is for the people that like to cook. Some people may think I started off with this gift just because there are a lot of people out there that think that women belong in the kitchen. I am not that type of person. I just love to cook. There are many people in my family that love to cook also. For me, I got a lot of my recipes from my grandmothers, and I tweaked them and added to them to suit my liking. So a recipe book is something that I'm going to invest in the future because I know I'm going to forget what I changed in the original recipe. Some people may say, if you're cooking a good meal, it's always going to get a little messy in the kitchen. To make sure your clothes don't get as messy as the kitchen, an apron is a beautiful accessory for any chef. And make sure you have a beautiful table runner to put all your good meals around and have plenty of conversation to talk about. Of course, I have to mention this next category, especially when talking about women, and that is, of course, jewelry. Now, she may not be the bling bling person that likes all the sparkle and flash of big diamonds and such, but this photo pendant is going to touch her heart. You can leave her a secret message in this heart locket that only she knows about, and let her know no matter where she goes with this bracelet, she is always in your heart. Now, if you have a teenager that you're shopping for, I know that it can get frustrating on what to get them. If you do need help, I have a personal shopping service that is perfect for you. The link to the service is going to be in the description box as well. But I know, like many girls in these last couple of generations, they are hooked on their phone. This wireless charging pad is perfect for them, especially when they go off to college. And these friend photo frame and colored heart clock always will remind them of the timeless and special friendships that they have. I can't say enough about moms and how important they are in a female's growth and journey into becoming a woman. That mother bird is always going to be needed, no matter how big the baby bird gets. She may need a couple of glasses of wine or two to get through those terrible twos and teenage years. But like this plaque says, behind every good kid is a great mom. How many families are out there that the grandmother is the backbone of the family? I'm definitely starting to realize my grandmothers are the backbone for each side of my family, and I don't know what I would do without them. If your grandmother or even your grandfather has the same role in your family, then you're definitely going to want to get something for them for Grandparents' Day. Did you know that Grandparents' Day is coming up on September the 12th? Don't worry, don't panic, I got you covered with a great Grandparents' Day video that was published a couple of weeks ago actually. Now, Grandma's life has been full of memories and good times. Why not put all those memories on a blanket? Or her cutest, most treasured memory on a pillow? And we all know that grandparents have their own set of rules for their grandkids. So let's have it proudly displayed in their living room. speaking to all the women out there who are either listening or just viewing my channel for the first time. You all are incredible. Your bodies, your minds, your spirits can go through and probably has went through so many things, and I applaud you. But put all the hard work aside and let's have some fun. Let's do something a little different and go to a high tea, or go to a musical or a play. If it's playing near you now, try to be safe with this because COVID is still out. Try to go to a musical or a play near you. I remember back in the day when me, my grandmother, and my mother all dressed up and went to a play. Or what you can do, I know this may sound boring, but I treasured these memories that I had with my mother when I was little. We used to read a book, not a whole book, but we used to read a book at night before I went to sleep. Not only was that mother and daughter bonding, but that actually helped my reading comprehension skills as well. Or what you can do just to have some fun, do a dance party. Listen to music from your generation and from her generation. Just enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Sending you all my love. Gigi out.